Hello, good morning, everybody. Today's in this episode we have discussed about that the canal system in Saigon. As we know very well about that, in case of poriferous animal, they are sessile. They cannot move from one place to another place. They are sessile because of that. So because of that, on the body of the poriferous animal there are the pores which is present, that is small teeny pores which is the present, that is called as the ostia. Through that ostia water goes inside the body and water goes outside the body through the large distal opening at the terminal or the pre-end of the cylinder which is present, that is called as the osculum. Through that osculum water goes outside the body. So this is the peculiar characteristics in case of porifera where is the canal system are present. Now we have discussed about the canal system in cycon. The body of the cycon is organized in such manner so as to form a complex system of pores and canals. This system is referred as the canal system. In poriferas, again there are the four type of the canal systems which is the present: ascanoid, cycanoid, leuconoid, and dragon type. In case of cycon, there is the cycanoid type of canal system is present. The various components of canal system are as follows, that is the ostia or dermal pores, incurrent canal, prosopiles, radial canals, apophyles, spongocoel, and the osculum. Just observe that this is the cross section of cycon. There is the that body wall is folded. Okay, when that body wall becomes folded, there is the outfolding of body wall and infolding of body wall. Which is the outfolding of the body wall, that is called as the radial canal, and which is the infolding of the body wall, that is, and the canal which is formed, that is called as the incurrent canal. Just understand that radial canal, and this is the alternatively which is the present. This is the straight body wall, this is the radial canal, then incurrent canal, radial canal, incurrent canal. So body wall becomes folded. So infolding of the body wall, this is called as the incurrent canal, which is the outfolding of the body wall, that is called as the radial canal. So we have discussed about that the course of water current. Through that nutrition and digestion, nutrition, respiration, all these which is the takes place in the poriferous animal because of the canal system. Because that poriferous animal cannot move from one place to another place. In case of the course of water, the water enter inside the body of the cycon, that is through the ostia. When it reach to the when it comes to through the ostia, it reach to the incurrent canal. Okay, just observe that incurrent canal, they have open outside by the ostia and they have blind at the inner side. Means incurrent canal and the radial, this incurrent canal, again they have particularly they are lined by the pinacocyte cells. Pinacocyte cells and the choanocyte cells, which is the two types of the cells which is the present in the poriferas. Pinacocyte cells, we have lining, this epithelial lining of incurrent canal. Incurrent canal and the radial canal, they have connected with each other by the opening, that is called as the prosopiles. That prosopiles which is formed by the porocyte cells. Through that prosopiles, water enter into the radial canal. From that radial canal, they have outfolding of the body wall. Because of that canal which is formed, that is called as the radial canal, they have lining by the choanocyte cells, that is the endodermal in origin, and pinacocytes which is the ectodermal in origin. They have lining, this one is the this radial canal, this one is the incurrent canal. Water comes through the ostia, it reaches to the incurrent canal, they have blind at the inner end, then it connected with the radial canal through the prosopiles which is formed by the porocyte cells, then it reaches to the water reaches to the radial canal, this incurrent canal lined by the pinacocyte cells, and the radial canal which is lined by the choanocyte cells. After that, water, it goes in this spongocoel by the it, the radial canal is connected with the spongocoel by the apophyse. So because of that, water from radial canal it goes into the spongocoel through the apophyse. That apophyse again formed by the myocyte cells. Now discuss about that the cell types in cycon. So which is the amoeboid cells. They have act like the muscle cells, myocytes. Which myocytes they have controlled the opening, that is the ostia, then this is the apophyse and also the osculum. So through that apophyse, water goes from radial canal to the spongocoel. That spongocoel, that is the central cavity, which is the central cavity. That is important for the water exchange. That is also important for the gaseous exchange. This is the central cavity, which is the present. Again, that spongocoel, which is lined by the pinacocyte cells. Here is the pinacocyte cells, which is the present. That pinacocyte cells line the spongocoel cavity. Then from this spongocoel, the water goes outside the body through the opening, that is nothing but the osculum, which is present at the terminal end of that cylinder. This is nothing but the canal system of cycon, which is very easy topic, but always the question which is put up from this topic. So this is very important topic as a point of view examination. Thank you very much.